Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Honey with warm water soothes pregnancy coughs and keeps you hydrated. Ginger tea reduces throat irritation and inflammation. A humidifier adds moisture, easing coughs naturally. Always check with your healthcare provider before trying any remedy during pregnancy to keep you and your baby safe.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.